You're a painter and it's slow and it hasn't been like this in 4+ years. What are you going to do? Let me share you this tip. I'm Ron, DYB coach, also painting contractor for the last 20-something years, and it happens. This is a lot of times out of our control because it's the economy. There's some unrest. People don't want to spend some money. Building is being tightened up a little bit. So what can you do? Well, the gold is in your email list. You might have heard this before, but let me tell you what I would do right now if I was slow. The email list is the most important thing that you have. These are clients that you gave an estimate to, who hired you, you've had discussions with, and maybe they didn't hire you, but you have their email list. You want to use this for your business. So let's do this. This is what I would do. First of all, we want to contact them. But what do we say to them? We do contact every single one of them? Yes. And what do we want to say is we want to record a video. Videos are much stronger to get the word through than a written email. And they're going to want to watch the video because people want to see what other people are doing. What I would do is start out as, "Hi, it's Ron from Merrimack Valley Painters. I'm contacting you because we just have a 2-week opening in our schedule. Someone had to reschedule, and I am looking to keep the crew busy. What I'm willing to do is give a great deal for the next 2 weeks to keep the crew busy because I love my crew." However you want to do it. And with this video, you want to rehearse. You might want to write this down. You don't want to have a bunch of ums and ohs and coughing. You want to put a nice shirt on if you're only showing the shirt. I know painters have paint on their clothes, but you want to present something really, really nice. And rehearse. You might have to rehearse this 10, 15 times to get one that says that works. And then what do you do once you have a video? Well, we're going to attach it to an email, and we're going to send it to our customers. And what are we going to do? The most important, other than the video, is that subject line. So what are we going to do to have the most opens on this email that we send someone? What we're going to do is, could you do me a favor and check out my latest video? Can you help me by watching this video? And send this to anybody. And at the end of the video, you might even want to say, if you don't have a project coming up, do you know someone who does? And can you forward this or share this with them? You want to email this to everybody. And then you want to follow up in a couple days and send an email, maybe without a video, requesting the same thing. Proofread it. Make sure it looks great. Maybe if you have an online booking tool that you include this at the bottom of every email. Easy to book. Just click on the tab below. Something like that. You also want to send this on social media. And you want to share this there. And the funny thing I find is painting contractors aren't busy, only post on social media when they're not busy. Well, that's great, but it's almost like planting a tree. You're planting it now, and it's not gonna grow for years. So you want to make sure down the road that you're always posting on social media, as well as Google My Business, because that's a strong search engine also. And for all of you who don't have an email list, well, you have to start putting one together, looking through all your old emails that you've sent out. Search items, something like attached, estimate, quote, anything that you would provide in the email that you can search for, and then start logging this down. Now, remember, this is not a 5-minute fix. This might take you hours and hours to put together. It's going to take you an hour to do a great video, maybe a half hour, maybe 20 minutes. But if the more time you put into this when presenting yourself and following through, the better response you're going to have for your clients. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at ron@dybcoach.com. Send me a text, comment on this, on anything you like. I'd love to talk to you, maybe try some new ideas with you and talk to you one-on-one. I'm Ron, DYB Coach. Have a great day.